going to do something very exciting. We are going to draw the candies. Yeah, that's right. Let's start. First, I am going to draw a circle and two straight lines. Let's make a circle again. Do you like eating candies? I love them so much. Now I am going to draw a slice of cake. Cake is my favorite thing. Do you like eating cake? Oh look, we have a cherry on top of our cake. Now I am going to make a cane. Oh look. Lastly, I am going to make something my favorite. Yeah, that's right. Donut. I love eating donuts. We are almost there. Let's color them. I am so excited. Which color should we pick first? Oh look, we already have a candy. Blue. Pink. Now I am going to pick a cream color. Let's color the cake. Red. Do you like cherries? Cherries are my favorite fruit. Pink. Orange. Pink. Blue. Orange. Green. Pink. Blue. Pink. Orange. Pink. Now let's color the donut. Pink. Orange. Let's put some cream on top. Oh, it is looking so delicious. And ta-da! We are done. I had so much fun. See you next time. Bye.